My name is Rossella Miccia and I'm the president of an Italian NGO that's called Emergency that has been working in Sudan since 2004, and currently we have operations in Port Sudan, still in Khartoum, in Niala, and we have expanded our services trying to meet the needs of the people by opening anticoagulation clinics in Atbara, in Kassala, very soon in Gedaref. We have been able to continue to provide the life-saving surgeries thanks to the commitment also of our Sudanese colleagues. We have more than 600 Sudanese colleagues working with us. Today I had the opportunity to meet His Excellency the Vice President to update him on the current activities and the challenges, particularly in making sure that our staff and supplies are reaching areas like Khartoum and Niala.